P from SavvyGrow. Today I'm gonna go over how to set up or use NFT hydroponic system. So this is here what's coming with the product. So we're gonna start with just gonna start assembling it, starting with the bottom. It is very important that you assemble where the letters specify, F, G. So we are assembling the F right now because how the system works is that the water flows from top to bottom. So the letter need to be to match so that it flow. If you do it wrong in this wrong place, the water cannot flow. It kind of get stuck. So I mean, it's pretty easy, you know that, right? So on the left, it's gonna be F right now. The label should match, you can see that F. We do the label F and F. So we just match them up just like that. Next, we're gonna put the tube in. So just this one, it doesn't really matter. You just there's no you can put whichever tube it is. So just basically you put it on one side first. So you can bend it out a little bit, right? Then you can bend it out a little bit and put the tube in. Then you attach the other side. Basically just tighten them up, just push the two together. Now we're gonna put the light in with the zip tie. So pretty simple, just attach them like that. Then you just use the wire that came and then just connect the light. All you do is connect one to the other so they kind of chain together, and then connect the pole to the last one on the bottom, and then just plug that into the camera that came with it. This might not be the exact camera that you got because this is a prototype that we had before. So just plug one in the light for the light, and then the other one for the pump. Later, when you get to the pump, so just plug one to the light and one to the pump, and then you can program the timer. Basically, when you start when you kind of start growing like veggie or herb, right? You wanna have it time to run from around 12 to 16 hours a day. So that's kind of automatic. It run for 12 to 16 hours. What I do is I do around 14 hours, and then it's gonna turn off, and then at the same time of the day gonna turn on for another 14 hours. So that's how I set it up. Okay, let's assemble the air pump and the pipe. So how you do this was closed like this, right? You just open that up. You put the pipe through it, and then you put it in this little hole between. So you wanna kind of push it in, get it in there. So then just put as much in as you can, and then close the cap. And that you got the thing, and that will plug into so this is the net cup, and you should have the sponge that came with it. So what you do is that you have to seed your plant, right? When it has at least 3 little leaves, or you can buy plant from your local store and transplant that into our system. We have 2 tutorials that's coming on our website, which is how to start seeding using rock wool and then transplant into the system, and then the other one is how to transplant plants from soil and then into our system. After you have the plant, you just put it in the middle of the sponge and put it in the net cup, and then just put it in here, just like that. Easy. After that, you just fill the bucket with water and nutrients according to, we have some recommendation from our guy on which nutrients we recommend, and you just measure the amount. Usually 1 liter you use around like 4 milliliter of nutrients. You mix them up, you just put the water, put the nutrients in, mix it, and just put in the bucket, and just plug in your timer and the light and the pump and start growing. Thank you for watching the video. If you like to learn more about hydroponic, or if you have any other question, or you can just email us or ping us on Facebook, and we'll be glad to create more tutorial for you. So let us know. Thank you.